In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a class project, a business presentation, or a personal project, creating a timeline can really help your audience visualize the sequence of events. So, let's dive in. First, to get started with Google Slides, you need to head over to the Google Slides homepage. You can find this by going to your browser and typing in slides.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a welcoming screen prompting you to sign in. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, make sure you do so. Sign in using your Google credentials to gain access to all of Google Slides' features. It's really that simple. Now, after you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. This is essentially your workspace. Here you can start a new presentation or choose from previously created ones. To create a timeline, you'll need to click on the blank presentation, which is a great starting point if you prefer to customize everything from scratch. Now, just in case you prefer a bit of a head start, Google Slides also offers a variety of templates that you can choose from. Simply click on the template gallery to browse through the options. Once you've selected your preferred starting point, it's time to get creative. Next up, once inside your presentation, you need to begin the process of building your timeline. To do this, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. You'll then want to select Diagram. This opens up several preset diagram options within the slide navigator on the right of your screen. Diagrams are a powerful feature in Google Slides that allow you to quickly and efficiently organize your information. Among the different diagram categories, you'll see an option labeled Timeline. Click on that and you'll notice a variety of timeline styles and options appear. Pick the one that best fits your presentation's needs by clicking on it. And just like that, your chosen timeline will appear on your slide. Now, this timeline acts as a canvas, providing a visual framework which you can tailor to suit your needs. From here, you can start customizing your timeline by clicking on each section of the diagram, add your own events or tasks, specify dates or milestones, and adjust the colors and fonts to align with your overall presentation theme. Feel free to experiment with different styles until you're satisfied with how your timeline looks. And there you have it, you've successfully created a timeline in Google Slides. It's a great way to display chronological information and make your presentation more engaging. This approach allows your audience to follow along with ease, ensuring that the information is both clear and impactful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy presenting.